Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about MVC design pattern. What is it? MVC is an architectural design pattern used to separate the logic of application into three interconnected components: the model and the view and controller. Model responsible for manage the data and the business logic, and the view handle display and output of data, and the controller receive input and coordinates updates between the model and the view. Example: think of it like a restaurant. The model is the kitchen, which handle data and business logic. The model responsible for handle data and business logic. The view is the waiter, showing the menu and serving the food, UI, user interface. And the controller is the order manager, takes your order and tell the kitchen what to do, then updates you when the meal is ready. The structure of MVC model represents the data and the business logic and notify the view when the data changes. The view renders data from the model and presents it to the user. The controller takes user input and updates the model and refresh the view. How it works: user interact with the screen. For example, click on a button to make an order. Controller handle the input and update the model. Then model updates and notifies the view. Then view renders the updated data. The benefit of this pattern: separate concern for better maintainability, testable and scalable architecture, support multiple views for the same data, common in web, desktop and mobile applications. The drawbacks: adds complexity for small or simple applications. Tight coupling may appear if not implemented carefully. Let's deep dive into coding. Here is class student, which contain string roll number and string name. Okay, this is the model. Okay, and another class controller, okay, which will take instance from the model and instance from the view. What the view contain? The view contain a method print student details, take student name and student roll number and print them. Then the controller take two instances from the model and the view. Okay, if I need to use this pattern, okay, I will define instance from student class and say equal retrieve student from database, for example. Okay, this just contain instance from student class and set the name and roll number and return at the end the student. Okay, so first time I have model contain this function, and student view I take instance from student view class, and the same with controller. The controller takes two arguments. The first one instance from the model I declare and the view. Then controller take data from model to update the view with latest data. Then after that I need controller to update view. Update view is a function inside our controller that take view instance from the view and print student, take the model.name and the model.get number, okay, to update it. Then after update I make controller.set student name with another name and set roll number and update the view. Let's run and see. Here, first time got student from database function that retrieve from database, and after update it update the new student. Thanks for watching and see you next video.